In this video, I will explain what to do after you've finished your survey and once you finally have the results. So, I will show you an example. If I open Forms, I will use this survey from stage 2, but you can use your survey from stage 3. When I open my survey, I have questions here, and I have responses here. If I click responses, I can see how many people answered, and I can see the information about their answer. The first thing we need to do is we need to take a picture, a screenshot, a capture of this information. Best if you can get the question, the answer, and the graph in one picture, and then we will take this and put this in PowerPoint. You should have 7 questions, so maybe you need 7 pictures. Some of us, we have a problem for question 3 and question 2 and question 4. This was my fault. If you have a problem, best 5, okay? So just take some of the pictures for your results, for your responses. And then when you get to PowerPoint, like you can see here, I will put the response. So for question 1, in your opinion, what do you think is the biggest advantage of e-learning? Let's make it bigger. 8 people think it motivates the learner. 7 people think the course is available whenever you need it. And 4 people think ease and speed of communication. So we have to just get 1 or 2 small sentences to explain this information. A little bit like IELTS, actually. But okay. So we can use this sentence. This graph shows that people think. The space will be the number. So this graph shows that 7 people, This graph shows that 8 people think e-learning motivates the learner. Comma, I will write these as we go. Seven people think yani the course, e-learning, is available whenever, and 4 people think it is So we're just going to make a little bit of a sentence to describe the graph, okay? I will go over this in class as well. So question 1, we have the graph, and we have a little bit of a sentence about the graph. Okay, some of you had problems for question 2, so I don't have an example yet. Question 3, can you think of any other advantages? The respondents, yani the people that answer, the respondents said the following advantages. I can see one person said, get good results. Another person said something, my picture is very small. Go to Forms, see what they say, and put their ideas here, okay? Question 4 is the same as question 1. This graph shows that 8 people think decreased motivation is a disadvantage. 7 people think the high cost is a disadvantage. And 4 people think difficulty in commitment is a disadvantage. So I'm trying to explain this information. Question 6, same as question 3. The respondents said the following disadvantages. Number 1, lose more information. Number 2, difficult to understand the teacher. Yimkin, they told you 3 things or 4 things. No need for all the responses. Maybe you have 14 different responses, alas. Best choose like 3 or 4 that you like. And the last question, which do people prefer, e-learning or college? This graph shows that most people, yani 14 people, prefer the college. Yani the college is more popular than e-learning. Yani some students don't like e-learning. You can give any sentence you like as long as the sentence is true for this information. Okay? For me, I have 5 PowerPoints, 5 pictures. If you want, you can do it different to me. That's no problem whatsoever. You could do small picture here. Cancel that. You could do question 1 and question 3 on the same PowerPoint. That's okay. Mublazam 5, as you like. But of course, these PowerPoint, these slides will go in the portfolio after this page. So maybe you would have survey results, 1 PowerPoint, 2 PowerPoint, 3 PowerPoint, like this. And then, halas, next week conclusion. Maybe we will delete this one, we're thinking now. So almost finished, okay, alhamdulillah. I will talk about this in class as well, but if you have questions, yani, you know you can contact me anytime. So yalla, ma salama.